Social media and mental health. Social media is like a big playground where people from all over the world come to talk, share, laugh, and sometimes even argue. Just like a playground, it can be fun and helpful, but if you spend too much time there or run into bullies, it can also hurt your feelings and make you feel tired, anxious, or sad. Today, let's explore how social media affects our mental health, both in positive and negative ways, and learn some simple steps to use it in a healthy way. Negative effects of social media. 1. Anxiety and depression. Spending too much time online can make people feel worried, sad, or stressed. For example, if you're constantly scrolling, you may start to feel like your life isn't good enough compared to others. 2. Comparing yourself to others on social media. People usually post the best parts of their lives, smiling photos, vacations, or new clothes. This can make others feel less than or unhappy with themselves. Imagine seeing your friend's birthday party pictures when you weren't invited. That might make you feel left out. 3. Cyberbullying and harassment. Just like bullies in real life, some people use social media to send mean messages or spread rumors. This can deeply hurt someone's confidence and mental health. 4. Addiction and dopamine craving. Social media apps are designed to keep you hooked. Every like, heart, or comment gives your brain a little happy spark, but soon you want more and more. This can create a cycle where you feel the need to keep checking your phone. 5. Fear of missing out, FOMO. If you see others hanging out or doing fun things without you, it can create anxiety and make you feel like you're always missing something important. 6. Poor sleep. Looking at your phone late at night can confuse your brain and keep you awake. Without proper rest, you may feel grumpy, tired, or have trouble focusing the next day. 7. Reduced focus. Constant notifications and endless scrolling can make it hard to pay attention to homework, work tasks, or even conversations with family and friends. Positive effects of social media. 1. Connection and support. Social media allows you to stay in touch with friends and family, even if they live far away. It also provides emotional support when you're going through tough times. 2. Self-expression and belonging. People can share their talents, stories, or feelings online. This helps them feel understood and part of a community. For example, joining a group where people love the same music or hobbies you do. 3. Access to helpful resources. Social media can share tips, inspiring stories, and even mental health resources like free counseling hotlines or motivational pages. Tips for healthy social media use. 1. Set time limits. Give yourself a screen time budget. For example, 1 to 2 hours per day, and then put your phone down. 2. Be careful with content. Follow pages that make you feel happy, inspired, or relaxed, and unfollow accounts that make you feel bad or insecure. 3. Balance with real life. Spend time with your friends and family in person. Play outside, read a book, or do hobbies that don't involve screens. 4. Take care of yourself digitally. 4. Turn off unnecessary notifications, take breaks, and avoid scrolling right before bed, so you can sleep better. 5. Join positive communities. Seek groups that lift you up. For example, communities that share kindness, motivation, or creativity. Social media is like fire. It can keep you warm or it can burn you, depending on how you use it. If you use it mindfully, it can connect you with others, help you express yourself, and provide useful information. But if you overuse it, compare yourself too much, or let it interfere with your sleep, it can affect your mental health. The secret is balance, knowing when to log in and when to log off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the effects of social media on mental health in a simple and gentle way. If you found this useful, please give it a like, share it with a friend who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more helpful videos like this. I'd also love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments how social media affects your life. Until next time, stay kind to yourself and use social media wisely.